Good morning, students. So in our last class we have learned the sound and different types of sounds I explained. Okay. So vibrating bodies produce sound. Okay. Then next one. So the vibrating body is producing sound. That activity 3. Different examples are there. So activity 3 from your textbook. So activity 3. Vibrating bodies produces sound. Okay. So for that one, different activities are there. So fix a rubber band tightly on an empty matchbox. Take a matchbox and fix a rubber band it tightly and plug the rubber band. Okay. Then it makes vibrations. Keep that matchbox near your ear. Then you can identify you can hear the sound. Okay. So next other one, take a book and blow air into the papers. Okay, take any notebook or textbook, blow air into the notebook. Then we can hear a sound due to the vibrations of the pages of that notebook. We can hear a sound. So that is also due to that is also vibrating body produces a sound. Example. Next another one. Fill a plate with water and next strike the rim of the plate with a spoon. Okay. Then the plate makes vibrations. Due to that we can hear a sound. Okay. Next another one. Put a hacksaw blade in between the table and brick. Suppose keep a brick on the table surface and between the brick and the table surface keep any hacksaw blade or any thin sheet of that iron. Then make it vibrate. Then it makes vibrations and we can hear the sound. So these all from all these activities we can understand the vibrating body produces a sound. Okay. So sound will be produced from the vibrating body. Clear? Okay. Then another one, activity 4 is also there. That is, sound has energy. Sound has energy. To prove this one, take a plastic bottle and take a cell phone. And this one is a plastic bottle. Cut this plastic bottle. Okay, cut the top of the plastic bottle with open end. Okay, so now take a mobile phone and place it inside it. Okay, take this one is a mobile phone. Place it inside like this. Okay, so this one is a mobile phone and close the mouth of the bottle with a balloon using a rubber band. Total mouth is closed by the balloon with a rubber band. This one balloon. Okay, so it covers this balloon covers the plastic bottle tightly. Okay, then place some sugar crystals. Means here this one mobile. First of all, only you just on this mobile phone means to play songs. Okay, then here take the sugar crystals and place it on the surface of the sugar or salt, whatever it may be, or sand. Then observe the movement of the particles. Due to the vibrations of this cell phone, okay, the cell phone is ringing, it makes vibrations. Due to that, what happens here? These particles will move up and down. Okay, so when there is no cell phone inside it, these sugar particles will be stable. Okay, but when the cell phone is kept inside the plastic bottle, due to the ringing sound, due to the sound produced by this cell phone, okay, the music, due to the music, what happens? These sugar particles will move up and down, or sand particles. Okay, so by this we can understand that the sound produced by the cell phone inside the bottle, okay, due to that vibrations only, these particles will move. Okay, the sound is responsible for the vibrations of the sugar particles or sand particles. Clear? So by this we can say sound has energy. Sound has energy. Clear? Okay. Then next one, musical instruments. Next one is musical instruments. Musical instruments. We know the sounds produced by the musical instruments, okay, means those are pleasant to hear. The sounds are pleasant to hear. The sounds which are pleasant to hear are called musical sounds. The sounds which are pleasant to hear are called musical sounds. We know the different musical instruments. What are the musical instruments? Different musical instruments are there. Guitar, tabla, violin, veena, okay, clarinet. These all come under different musical instruments. Harmonium. Okay. So here, based on that one, we can classify this into three types. Three types of musical instruments are there. First one is drum type instruments. Drum type instruments. Okay. Examples: tabla, mridanga. These are the drum type instruments. Okay. Next, second one, string type instrument. String type instrument. String type instruments examples: veena, violin, So these are string type instruments. Okay. So those are different string type instruments. Next, guitar also will come. Guitar. Next, third type of instruments is blow type instruments. Means when we blow air, due to the change in variations in air columns, the sound will produce. Those are blow type. Blow type means whistle, flute, clarinet, these are the blow type instruments. Okay, whistle, flute, and clarinet. These are the blow type instruments. So the different types of instruments these. Okay. So this what is the vibrating part of this drum type instruments? For drum type instruments, the vibrating part is membrane. Okay, the membrane, the air inside the hollow body. And for string type instruments like veena, violin, and guitar, those are string fixed to the hollow body. That is the vibrating part. And next, blow type instruments like whistle, flute, and clarinet. Okay, so the vibrating part is air columns. Okay, those are air columns. Due to the change in the air columns, the sound will produce. So these are the different types of musical instruments and vibrating part of it. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you.